Hello children, welcome to my channel Learn with Fun. I am going to teach you EVS. Today's chapter is Types of Houses. In this chapter we are going to cover what is a house, types of houses, houses around the world, people who help in building houses and some exercises and activities on this chapter. What is a house? House is a place in which we live in. And why do we need a house? It keeps us safe from bad weather such as rain, sunlight, storm, wind, and other natural disasters. That's why we need a house. Houses are classified into two types, kacha houses and pakka houses. We see many different types of houses around us. These houses are made using different materials. In cities and towns, a house is made up of bricks, cement, steel, iron and wood. It is a pakka house. These are also called permanent house. These are strong. A pakka house is of many types. There are big multi-storied buildings. These multi-storied buildings also called skyscrapers. In these buildings there are many flats and houses. Such buildings also have a park, gym, a small market and other facilities around them. A flat and a bungalow are also types of pakka houses. Examples of pakka houses: bungalow, independent house, multi-storied buildings, flats and apartments. Kacha houses. In villages, the houses are usually made of mud and straw, bamboo, thatch, etc. These houses are kacha houses. Such houses are usually seen in villages or small towns. They are not very high and are usually single-storied. They are not very strong. The mud walls and straw roofs keep them cool in summers. Houses around the world. Some temporary houses are made by people for particular purposes. They are built in a different manner at different places. Some houses float on water. These houses are called houseboats. They are made on boats. Houseboats are seen in Kashmir and Kerala. In China, a houseboat is called sampan. Some houses move from one place to another. They are built on wheels. They are called caravans. Jippies or banjaras live in a caravan. The house can be hooked to a horse cart and can be taken anywhere. Houses which are made up of ice are called igloos. These houses are found in very cold regions. Their dome shape helps them to keep warm from inside. Some people like scouts and soldiers move from one place to another. They do not build a permanent house. They live in tents. These tents are made up of cloth or canvas. They are mostly built in deserts where it is very hot. Cloth allows a breeze to blow through, keeping inside cool. Stilt houses are built on house bamboo poles called stilts. These types of houses are found in areas which receive heavy rainfall. Water does not enter these houses easily. People who help us in building houses. Many people work together to build a house. A painter paints the house. A plumber fixes taps and water pipes. An electrician fixes wires, bulbs, fans and switches. An architect draws a design for the house. A mason builds walls using bricks and cement. A carpenter makes doors and windows, cupboards, etc. So many people are involved in building a nice house. Hope children you all understand this chapter. If you like my explanation, please subscribe my channel. Now we will start some exercises on this chapter. Answer the following questions. First question. Why do we need a house? We need a house to live in. Second question. What is the difference between kacha and pakka house? Kacha house. These are very portable houses and these are not very strong compared to pakka house. These are made up of mud, straw, bamboo and thatch. Most of these kacha houses are found in villages. The best example of kacha house are hut. And comes to pakka house. Pakka houses are permanent houses. These are very strong houses. These are made up of bricks, cement, steel, iron, wood and many more. Mostly these are found in cities and towns. And the best examples are bungalow, multi-storied buildings, flats, etc. Third question. Name any two temporary houses. Children, I have already explained you about temporary houses under houses around the world. Houseboats, caravans, igloos, tents, silts, all comes under temporary houses. You can write any of these. Here I am giving you houseboats and caravans as examples. Now fourth question. Name three people who help in build a house. Tell me children, who are the people help in building a house? Yes. Mason, architecture, carpenter, painter, plumber, electrician and so many people are involved in building a house. You can write any of three in this answer. Fifth question. What is a caravan? Yes, tell me what is a caravan? The house on a wheel is called a caravan. These can be moved from one place to another. Name the following houses. Children, identify the picture. The house in the picture is looking like what? What type of house this is? Yes, it is a pakka house. The example of pakka house. It is a flat and also known as apartment. Now identify this picture. This picture is looking like what? It is a type of kacha house. These are found in villages. What picture is this? Yes, it is a hut. Now see this picture. Observe carefully. What type of house is this? Yes, we can see wheels. A house on a wheel is called a caravan. The house in the picture is a caravan. And what type of house? It is a temporary house. Now fourth picture. What type of picture is this? The dome shape indicates that the house in the picture is a igloo. It is also a type of temporary house. Now fill in the blanks. First one, dash houses are made up of bricks and steel. What type of houses are made of bricks and steel? Pakka houses. Kacha houses are mainly found in dash areas. Tell me where? Villages. Dash live in tents. Who lives in tents? Scouts and soldiers. Multi-storied buildings are also called skyscrapers. Dash live in caravans. Who lives in caravans? Gypsies and Banjaras. These are tribal people. They move from one place to another, so they built a house on a wheels which can be hooked to a horse cart and can be moved anywhere. Next, tents are made up of cloth or canvas. Houseboats in China are called sampan. Dash are made up of ice. What type of houses are made up of ice? Igloos. These are found in cold regions. Dash float on water. What type of houses float on water? Houseboats. And the last one, houses built on trees are called tree houses. Now match the following: electrician, plumber, mason, painter, carpenter. Electrician matches with wires and electrical fittings. What does electrician do? He fixes wires, bulbs, fans and switches. Plumber. What does plumber do? Plumber fixes taps and water pipes. Here plumber matches with taps and pipes. Mason. What does mason do? Mason builds walls using bricks and cement. So here mason matches with bricks. Painter. Painter paints the house. Here painter matches with paints and brushes. Carpenter. A carpenter makes doors, windows and cupboards. Means these all furnitures. Comes under furniture. So carpenter matches with furniture. Now here ends the exercises on this chapter. Now I will give you some activities which you have to do in your home. Okay? First activity, find and paste pictures of any 5 different types of houses. This one you have to paste in your notebook or else one A4 size paper and show it to your parents. And second one, draw a house of your own choice and neatly color it. In these two, I think the second one is very much easy for you. Okay? You can do any one of these and show it to your parents. Hope you all enjoyed this video and understand my explanation. If so, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.